prepare the skin sample, further precision will be required. Start by gathering a cutting board, ring handle forceps, a scalpel, a styrofoam board, and 6 bevel needles on the workbench. To prepare the skin sample the same way as the LDPE, you need similar instruments to the last step. Remove the rat from the fridge and lay it on the cutting board with its back exposed. Clean any blood or dirt present. Carefully shave the rat's neck and make an incision through it. Be cautious not to pierce through muscles, as you are just meant to flay the back. By pulling the collar side of the incision with the forceps and slipping the scalpel under the skin, carefully flay the rat's back. Avoid extracting fat and muscle with the skin. Do not tear the skin off the body, but gently stroke through the connective tissue with the scalpel while slightly pulling the skin. Avoid applying excessive pressure with the forceps, as it would damage the skin. Moisten the gauze with a squirt of PBS, and then lay it down on a styrofoam board. Lay the skin flat on the gauze to expose the connective tissue. Secure the skin by pinning it with the 6 bevel needles. Make sure that the skin is not loose. Meticulously remove any tissues and fat to expose the dermis and spray some PBS to keep it moist. You can now cut a sample out of the skin, perpendicular to that rat's spine. To do so, by firmly hitting a razor blade with the rubber mallet. Use a cutting template to guide the razor blade. Lay your samples with the epidermy on top, then carefully create an incision at their mid-length with a depth equal to 1/3 of their width. With a caliper, measure your sample and fill in the table of your lab module. Wrap your sample in a gauze and moisten with PBS. Right before testing, apply a fine homogeneous stochastic pattern on the epidermis using the spray paint.